It is time, YouTube Nation, for another small company pre-workout review here on 5 Minute Supp Reviews. I'm Matt. You know what? Let's get right to it. Alright, HDC Nutrition. Thank you for sending me a few samples. Got them right here. It's their Zoned pre-workout. Let's see if this small market can compete with some of the other small markets that's been, having some really solid pre-workouts out there, or if they need to go back to the lab and do a little more work. Only one way to find that. Alright, let's go supplement facts over here. Just going to go through a couple of them. This is a pretty standard pre-workout, and I don't want to spend too much time on the ingredients. I want to see if this Zone pre-workout tastes good, and more importantly, performs well. Let's get to it. Alright, 2 grams of L-citrine malate. A little lower than I like, but let's give it a benefit of the doubt and test it and see how we go from there. You also just want to point out a few, like I said, caffeine at 300 milligrams, that's my standard. I like that, more the merrier, but hey, let's leave it at 300 for the general population. You also have dicaffeine malate at 50 milligrams there. You have hornidine HCl at 50 milligrams and yohimbe HCl 3 milligrams. All right, so let's see how this formulation stacks up and do the taste flavor. All right, YouTube Nation. Wait a second. Fruit punch. Hey, there has to be a reason why a lot of the companies do fruit punch. I don't know if it's cheap, beneficial, I don't know if it mixes well with the other ones, but it's fruit punch. Let's go. YouTube Nation, here's the bean, zoned in the gym. Do work. Fruit punch it is. No, I'm just kidding, but it is fruit punch. It's an alright fruit punch. Gonna have to get 3.5 scoopers out of 5. Middle of the pack is how it is, but hey, 8-10 ounces of water, that's down the hatch. Let's see if this pre-workout can last in the gym. I'll see you after 3 days of taking my samples. To be zoned or not to be zoned? That is thy question. And thy answer is not to be zoned. Took it 3 times, had 3 samples. Flavor was alright. Fruit punch, run of the mill, it was alright. A lot of the ingredients were underdosed to clinical standards, but hear me out here. This has better supplement facts than a C4. Will it sell as much as a C4? Probably not, but I hope for HDC Nutrition. Good guy, and I want small companies to succeed. This is for the beginners. You want to get into the pre-workout market. This doesn't have the beta alanine and make you tingly and so forth, so some people don't like that. Has just enough energy with the 300 milligrams of caffeine, the dicaffeine malate 50 grams, so a little nice combination should give you enough energy to last you throughout your workout and a little bit after. The pumps, a little bit underdosed, but for those beginners, it might be enough to get you what you want in the gym. All in all, 3 scoopers out of 5. Pretty good standard start off pre-workout for those people out there if you're interested. Alright, YouTube Nation, now you know what time is. Found this review helpful, beneficial, and maybe a nice starter pre-workout out there. Hit that like button. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Come along for a 5 Minute Supp Review ride.